TCG back at it again. We out here with Shaawinihan Outfitters. It's about to be a good day. We entering the Shaawinihan no-fly zone.
Giant walleye.
We about to get some birds.
We're gonna take some shots.
I got Doyle behind the camera. He's gonna be shooting this for me. Get it, Maggie!
We out here. It's about to get real. TCG back at it again. We out here with Shaawinihan Outfitters. It's about to be a good day. We entering the Shaawinihan no-fly zone.
So yesterday they were in this field. They had 6 people. Everybody got their limit before 8 a.m. So hopefully we're gonna get the same thing today.
My name's John Cole. I'm from Shaawinihan Outfitters. We have a group here from TCG, and conditions are really foggy this morning. Hardly any wind, but the wind's supposed to prevail out of the south. So we're going to move in another location, but we kind of figured out that this is still a good spot because the blind's set up nice. But it's really foggy this morning, so you got to keep the decoys covered up till the last minute because they get shiny in the rain and the fog. So, but well, I could just try some cold calling at first with no decoys, because they'll find it hard to see this morning.
Hey, I'm Jason Cole. We're here with the boys from Tough Country Gear. I'm going to be doing the calling today. Hopefully the birds cooperate.
Got all the decoys set out. We let Jason take the reins on this one and set up the patterns that he wanted. Looks like we got 2 different flocks out. Got one on the left, one on the right. The left one's a little further out. Now we're just waiting till the birds come in to the no-fly zone.
Everything was they're on point.
Alright, so we're all set up. It is now shooting time, so we're all loaded up. We got Jason on the call. He's starting to honk him in. It's about to get real. No-fly zone is in full effect.
Alright, time check for you guys. It's about 7:05 right now, 20 minutes after shooting light. We can hear the geese honking on the river just over there, and we're waiting for them to get up and come to this field to feed, and hopefully we can shoot some of them.
Birds are kind of holding up this morning. It's really foggy, but we can hear all kinds of them on the river roosting. So to me, it's just a matter of time. I'm usually around 7:15, but with this heavy weather, it's likely going to be a little later, but they'll fly.
Alright, it's sort of foggy, so I think they're going to come from behind us with the way the wind is, and they're going to come in from the left and come over and then right in front of us. Probably not going to need too much calling with the fog, but as the fog lifts, we'll call a little heavier.
Bag 3. Couple more to go.
Yeah, well, the fog's finally lifted. As you can see, the sun is in my eyes. Birds are hopefully been slow, but now that the decoys are all dried off now, so we're hoping the action will start.
And Dylan.
Super hot.
You wouldn't say that this morning.
Nope.
It was a little chilly.
Yeah, this morning she was
nippy.
cold. Right now she hot fire. I'm looking for a squirrel with dust. BB.
Alright folks, we're packing it in for the hunt with Shaawinihan Outfitters. It's always a great time out here. We had a wonderful time hunting with these guys. If you are looking for a guided hunt in the Richmond area, you know who to call. Check out Shaawinihan Outfitters, tell them TCG sent you, and get after it. that's it for our hunt with Shaawinihan Outfitters. It was a great time. If you're looking for a hunt in the Richmond area, you know who to call. Hit up Shaawinihan Outfitters and tell them TCG sent you. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit the like button. If you've got any questions or concerns, leave a comment below because we love hearing from you guys. If you ain't subscribed to the channel, make sure to subscribe because we're dropping videos every Sunday. Thank you all for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.